Hello, welcome back to Whiskey Mania. The topic for today is wine, and in this video I'm going to discuss what is wine, the process of wine making, and wine species. What is wine? Wine is the alcoholic beverage obtained from the fermentation of juice of freshly gathered grapes. The fermentation takes place in the district of origin, according to local tradition and practice. Only a relatively small area of the world is wine producing. This is because the grape will only provide juice of the quality necessary for conversion into a drinkable wine where two climatic conditions prevail. Number 1, sufficient sun to ripen the grape, and number 2, winters that are moderate yet sufficiently cool to give the vine a chance to rest and restore its strength for the growing and fruiting season. These climatic conditions are found in two main wine producing zones, which lie between the latitudes 30 degrees and 50 degrees north and south of the equator. 3/4 of the world's wine is produced in Europe and just over half in the EU. France and Italy produce the most wine, while Italy being the largest producer. Next in order comes Spain, USA, Australia, Argentina, Germany, Portugal, Chile, and South Africa. Wine making or vinification is the production of wine, starting with the selection of the fruit, its fermentation into alcohol, and the bottling of the finished liquid. The process central to vinification or wine making is fermentation, the conversion of sugar by yeast to alcohol and carbon dioxide. This process is also necessary to the making of all alcoholic beverages, not only for still, sparkling and fortified wines, but also to spirits, liqueurs and beers, although some variations and further processes will be applied for different types of beverages. Wine species. Now first let's understand the first word vine, V-I-N-E. A vine is any plant with a growth habit. In parts of the world, the term vine usually applies exclusively to grape vines, which is also called vitis. The wine species that produces grapes suitable for wine production and which stocks most of the vineyards of the world is named Vitis Vinifera. Most varieties now planted in Europe and elsewhere have evolved from this species through crossbreeding to suit local soils and climates. The same grape in different regions may be given a different name. For example, Grenache in Rhone region is also known as Grenacha, which produces fine Spanish wines. So that was a quick introduction to wine making process and wine species. In my next video, I'll be discussing about white wines and red wines. So stay tuned, and if you have any suggestions, please write it in the comments, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.